Random Size Makeovers here. I'm Megan, and today I'm going to be doing an orange splat eyeshadow. It's some sort of 80s sort of vibes that I got from it, so I curled my hair. And this is the only thing that I had that would go with orange, because I don't usually wear orange. But since I didn't, I thought it'd be fun, and I thought it would be a cool way to use that orange sparkly color that was on my 24A artist palette, which I just got in the mail yesterday. I'm really super excited about it. So sorry that I didn't post in a while. Let's get to it. As usual, I'll be using my Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. Eyebrows, James Charles palette. We are going to use that medium brown right up there, and of course the angled brush that I have for my eyebrows. NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel will be what I use to set my brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to outline what I want to do in my white Morphe eyeliner called Blank Slate. And I'm not going to do them even, I think, and we're just going to kind of see what happens. So that's what I've got so far. I'm not like mad about it. I obviously need to clean it up a little bit, but I think it's a good outline. I'm really kind of happy with what they look like. I think they're fun, they're pop art, and let's hope this goes well. So from my James Charles palette, I'm going to be taking that orange color. Putting Desert Vibes on my crease. I'm gonna take that color right there because it's still not getting the depth up. I'm gonna take Wild Out and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Just repeat that process on the other eye. we've got so far. I'm going to take a detail brush with some foundation just to clean up the edges, and then I'm going to go back over the white eyeliner. What we've got for our eyes. I put like little sort of reflective sort of lines to make it look more like pop art-ish, and I'm actually really happy with how this is coming out so far. So now it's time for foundation. Skip powder today because I have all this on my face, so it's contour time. Just in my blush. Sorry, I forgot to say that. I'm gonna do the colored lash trend. You put the foundation on them and then you put eyeshadow over it. And the eyeshadow I'm gonna use is from the James Charles palette, is that peachy sort of orangey color right there. I'm excited. This trend doesn't work as well as some people make it out to be, or maybe I need a full coverage foundation. So I'm kind of sad, but like honestly it didn't work too bad, like, you know. I'm gonna put on some highlight now. I forgot to do that. So it is now time for some lip gloss. Well, just lips in general. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that peachy color that I was talking about putting on my eyelashes, and I did put on my eyelashes. That color right there. And I'm gonna put on like a nude lipstick, do that, and then the lip gloss. Tarteist liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit is what I'm gonna use for lipstick. So I just put a touch of orange, so that way I don't look weirder than I already do with full orange lips. Now it's time for Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. Goodness gracious, words are hard today. So that's the look. I'm actually really happy with that. I love that orange shimmer that is in my eyelids. It's from that 24A artist palette. I love that palette. I'm so like happy that I got it. Like, it's so pretty. Like, I have swatches on my Instagram at Emphasize Makeovers. Please go check it out. It's a beautiful palette. And thank you for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next time.